How to add or remove card to Starbucks. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to remove your payment information on your Starbucks app. Simply open your Starbucks app application and then go to your profile that's on the upper left corner of the screen rather, and then here you'll be able to see there's an option for payment methods. Click on the payment methods and you'll be routed into this page. To add a payment information or card, simply click on add card or credit card, and you just need to input your name, and then you'll be filling out the details for you to add the payment method. You need to add the card number, the date or the expiry date, and the CVV as well. Once everything has been filled out, you just need to click on save, and then your payment informations will be saved on your Starbucks app. And to remove the payment method, you just go back to payment methods and there will be an option for you to remove that card if you no longer want that to be added in your payment informations. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!